Hey guys, this is Senthil from Sashra. I think it's been a long time since we posted the update video on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and because since due to some personal commitments as well as the work, we have it, and also we manage some quite a few businesses as well. So that's a reason behind we couldn't post anything as such. I think from going forward, from today onwards, we will be posting all the regular updates on how the Nifty and Bank Nifty is performing, and apart from it, if there is any particular stocks which we came into our radar, which we will post it as well. So I think let's not waste too much of time. Let's quickly jump into uh, how the Nifty looks like. um, if you could clearly see it, Nifty is in the retracement phase actually. There was a head and shoulder which got broken already, and since that head and shoulder is broken, and the market started to retrace it from the top levels, if you could see it. And also we have a trend line has been coming up there, and if you could clearly see there is a trend line is broken. Again next day the trend line is been retested, and retest did not happen successfully. There is a failure of retest, and then the Nifty fall. It's a very simple and price action. If you could uh, if you could see it, I think you would definitely understand it. Yes. So what is happening? So basically Nifty has retraced it well, and today there is an more like a inverted hammer or something like that. I'm not sure about the name of the candle. You could see it. Tomorrow is a key day, because usually what happens is whenever there's such a big candle falls, next day there will be a slight pullback happens, but the pullback will not sustain, and the pullback will eventually turn it into a inverted hammer, correct? So like this basically. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm spelling the wrong candle name here. So it looks like this. So tomorrow there's a probability, two probabilities. One, if Nifty opens up around these levels, 24,430 levels, and then moves up from here, well and good, we are going up again, and we might touch the key resistance level, then come down, correct? If not, if Nifty opens up in the same level, and if it's breaking the today's low, correct? So once the today's low is broken, I think fall will be very brutal, and this fall will take us eventually to 24,084 levels, or 24,050 or 75. Those levels you can target for. That's where we are going to go. And if 24,000 levels is also broken, we might go for another 100 150 points from there, and then we will eventually end up in 23,874. That is the levels which we are currently looking at for. So there are two probabilities. One, if Nifty opens gap up and then sustains and jump, well and good, the reversal candle has come up and then we are moving up. If not, if the yesterday's low is broken, today's low is broken, then we are eventually going to go to these levels. So that's simple, right? So don't take any trade unless otherwise you see Nifty is sustaining in the higher levels, or if it's breaking below the lower levels. Take trade only if it breaks down or if it's sustaining above. So that's the thing. So don't take a trade and stuck in between. Even if you don't make money, it's fine, but you don't want to make a loss, right? So that's what I'm saying. So instead of getting into there, taking a loss and then crying, better don't take a trade, sit outside, relax. Once the level is broken, once there is no double bottom is forming up here and the level is broken, then you take a trade and buy a put or future sell, and then travel to the lower bigger targets for 300-400 points, correct? So this is what is Nifty is happening. So Nifty, which I'm expecting Nifty to go to these levels if there is no reversal happening tomorrow, correct? Next thing, let's quickly go into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, similar thing. Top is made, you have shoulders here, but the shoulder is broken on the higher side, which is good, but the shoulder did not sustain, and the channel has been formed. If you see the tops, and the channel has been formed, and today the channel has been broken. So that's the thing. So if you could notice, channel is broken and it has come out, and it is very clear that it has broken, and the closing is below the channel. That is one thing, okay? So if similar instance, if tomorrow Bank Nifty gaps up, and then if it's eventually goes into the channel and ends up the day by closing inside the channel, I think we are seeing a recovery. Reversal is happening, and this reversal will take it to 52,700. If not, similar instance, if the today's low is broken, and then we are going all the way to 50,400, which is eventually like 800 points from here. That's where the support lies. And if 50,200 is 50,400 is also broken, then we are going to 49,657. That's where we might end up, because today it's Bank Nifty did not give a very good close, so that will eventually put us bad in a bad shape. It's a bad close, I would say. I don't know how many people are saying it's bullish, but I'm saying it's not a good close. But tomorrow, first half an hour or 1 hour will decide the fate of the Bank Nifty. That is for sure. That's where things will turn around, correct? So similarly, wait for any close below today's low, then take a trade, buy a put, future sell, and then travel all the way down. Or if you are an option seller, then just sell the call, be happy, so it will go all the way down, and all the call premiums you can eat it up, correct? So I think it's a very clean, neat chart, so I don't think we need to discuss anything further. And maybe one stock which can quickly look at it is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank gave a very good close today, very decent close today, and it's closing very on the previous few candles. Actually, it gave a very good close. So what we are seeing is a cup handle is went close to like 78.6 retracement levels, and then from there it gave a jump. So now what is forming is it's forming a W pattern, correct? So maybe if this pattern continues, we might see a top around 1787. This needs to be taken out. So once this is taken out, we are going to see, I think once the W pattern is formed, there will be a small correction coming up, and then the jump will come. Okay, so every time keep it, remember, whenever a W pattern is formed, there will be a small correction coming up, and then quickly there will be a jump coming up again. So HDFC looks very good. Let's quickly look at how the RSI looks for HDFC. Yeah, RSI looks it looks good actually, so we don't need to worry much about. So if you could clearly see it, RSI price moving up, RSI moving up, it's a good sign, no problem. So where the issue is, I think we 1787, we have another 50 odd points over here, and previously it was in the overbought zone. Right now it's in the cool off zone, and it's slowly inching up to the top. So let's see. HDFC looks pretty much decent comparing to other banking stocks out there, correct? I think we are good with it, and if there is any update or anything as such, we'll definitely post you guys, and there will be videos coming up very regularly, so you guys don't need to worry or anything as such, correct? So thanks a lot for watching, and have a nice day, guys. Yeah.